Hi guys, today we have a really cool and simple craft. We are going to be making little Easter baskets for our dolls. And because we're gluing them in, when you tip them upside down, everything stays in. Now this is a really easy dollar store craft. We got the little bags here for $1.25 and there's 6 little baskets. So we are going to start with one of those. Now, these are super, super cute. And if doing 6, you can make as many as you want for your little dolls. They have the cute little rabbits and a nice little hanging strap handle. If you don't have one of these little baskets or you can't find them at your dollar store, you can use any basket that you have on hand, or you can make your own basket. Now we also have these cute little glitter carrots to add as filler. And again, just from the dollar store, or you can make your own with Model Magic, polymer clay, even just paper and glue it into the top of the basket. And the last piece is, let me move that for you, is these little glitter foam eggs. Now, I didn't want to buy a package that had multiple packages, sorry. So I actually just went ahead and painted so that we have a chocolate one, a pink one, a blue one, and some green ones. Now this is, little loose egg, a very, very simple craft. All that you'll need is the basket and some glue. Now, if you're going to use a hot glue gun, make sure you have parental supervision. If not, you can use white glue. Now, you can just fill the bottom of the basket with eggs, or you can fill it with stuffing. So I have this leftover kind of soft, stretchy stuff that I got from a package, and I'm just going to cut some of it. There's some glue. And I'm going to just stuff the bottom of my basket. So this is a good recycle because this would just end up in the garbage. So we're just going to fold it and then stuff it in there. The reason that we're stuffing it in, I just broke the handle, is so that we don't have to fill as much. Okay, and again, if you don't have any little scraps, you can just stuff it full of paper, or if you did buy the whole set of eggs, you can go right ahead and just fill them right up. So we're going to want to fill it until it's quite full. And this is where our glue is going to come in handy. So we're just going to squeeze some glue in and then stuff some more of our filler. Okay. And you want to glue it so that when you're playing, the eggs and the treats don't fall everywhere. So we're just going to stuff it and glue it. And let's add a little bit more so that we don't have to fill it quite so high. All right, let's get lots of glue in there. And then just keep on stuffing. And again, you don't have to do this step. I am choosing to do this because I don't want to fill all of my basket with eggs. This is also going to make your basket a lot lighter so that if you are doing photo shoots with it, you don't have to worry about your doll not being able to hold it or anything like that. And you do want to make sure that your glue has warmed up to the right temperature. You see how this one is just popping right up? Well, we don't want that. So we're going to go ahead and just glue all of that in. Perfect. Now for the fun part. Once you have all that nice and glued, see how it's not heavy, but now you have a nice even base? We're going to start by adding our basket filler. So I'm thinking for this one, I'm going to add a couple carrots. That way I can add some eggs and it'll look really cute. So again, you don't have to glue them in, but if you glue them, they're going to stay in. That way you have a little bit more play, or you can just stuff them loose. That's completely up to you. And this one has a little handle that does not want to stay. So we'll just tuck that back in. There we go. And now you fill it with your eggs. So just a little bit of glue and stick them in there however you want. I like them to look like they're coming out of the top. Let's get some eggs and move these carrots. And we're just going to glue them all over. Your dolls can go on egg hunts and do all kinds of fun things. This was my favorite part of Easter when I was little, and I know a lot of people who just love egg hunts. Look how cute that is looking. Let's glue them all in, and then we can put the chocolate egg and the other egg just kind of on the top. So that's a pretty good base of green eggs. And now let's add a little chocolate. And again, if you can't buy the eggs, you can go right ahead and just use Model Magic. You can roll up some paper towel and some Kleenex and just paint away on them. You can make them out of clay, plasticine, whatever you would like. And there, fast and easy, and what a cute little craft. What do you think? Do you think your dolls will like these? There they are. Oh, one little loose egg. Let's add one more to this one just to make it really overflowing and popping. And again, they are super light and super easy. Think of these for your photo shoots for your dolls if you want to take them outside, if you want to have little egg hunts with them. You can even leave some of the eggs loose so they can have a little Easter party. Look at how cute. This one's really full. I think this doll is going to find the most eggs. Okay, so you can leave some loose. Oops, let's move the glue. All right, guys, that's it for now. We're going to go see what our dolls think of them. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.